I'm here at the Sydney airport, right? Got here, got a muck around, went and got me some food. This is what I got me, guys. It's a noodle soup. How good does that look? Anyway, I'll get back to you guys later. At the moment, I have to finish it off, okay? Kia ora! And my mama getting her stuff all ready for the flight.
Everybody, and welcome on board once again.
Pilot chicken talking.
Now, we just been advised about the ground stuff slightly to do with the boarding process and slightly different with boarding passes. Some of our ground staff are going to be moving down 1 inch per mile. And it's nice you can have your boarding pass out ready, just so they can double check that it's the New Zealand boarding pass. If when you get it out, you see it as a Virgin Australia boarding pass, make sure that's so everybody can just have their boarding passes out ready. As our ground staff make their way down the aircraft, just double check the boarding pass. Everybody on board.
And some. So did you see? It's like a full plane. Maria, say hello. Hello. We've arrived to Cook Island. It's raining, guys, it's raining. How horrible. Oh well, at least we arrived safely. Okay guys, we have arrived to the Cook Islands. Okay, but we're in Rarotonga. Here's the plane we came on. See? Most of the passengers are already gone. Now where's my mother? Oh yeah. It was a full flight today. Okay. Hey guys, we have arrived to our accommodation. So let me show you. Okay, this is, I don't know, see? Look at that. ORANA. See? So this must be our washing line here. I don't know what's that room. Oh, look at the backyard. Look at the backyard. How lovely is that? What is that? No. Oh, look at the, what's that? Passion fruit. Oh, look at that. What's that thing that you put on your ear? What's that thing there? I don't know what it is. Oh, frangipani or something. Frangipani. Hey, look, there's a single bed here too. Okay, there's a single bed, so obviously someone can stay here. And yeah, and this is the open space where you can relax on the couch there. Oh, okay. See, my mama's in the. Where's the light? Where's the light? I thought I turned on the light. Yeah, there she goes. Hello. Yeah, and okay. I told her to come and sleep on this bed, but she won't. Look at that nice flower bedspread. There's a cookie bedspread. Okay. And there's a little island. Okay, this is the oven. Okay. See any cookies in that jar? I don't know. Okay, well, we'll have to put some food in the fridge. Oh no, they got light milk. Okay, and there's someone's ice cream. Oh, they got ice. Okay, so this is where we have to do our washing then, and there's the shower. Okay, now you've seen the Cook Island crib for our stay that we're going to be here for. Look at the single bed here. Oh. It's nice and comfy too. Why should we have to go into a room when you can just sleep out here? Yeah. Yeah, okay. See you guys later. Gonna have a little rest and then probably go up to the shop and buy something to eat and fill up our fridge. Yeah, ka kite. Okay, we're driving into town, guys. Hey guys, remember how I said that we stood on top of the courthouse and then we started asking each other, where is Trader Jack? It's a bar and restaurant. There it is, right down there. And this is the courthouse we were standing on top and asking, where is Trader Jack? And there it is over there. Okay guys, here's a little bit of the town, Cook Island, and a little bit of Rarotonga. There you go. But we're standing on top of the courthouse. Don't know if you can see the beach. Yes. See, it's a bit rough today. We arrived here and it's like raining. Well, drizzly raining. But it looks pretty wet on the ground there. So, yeah, raining. Okay, better go back in the courthouse. Just here for some paperwork. Ciao. Ciao, hermanos, yes. Ciao.
Can't come through, Daddy. Oh, you can't at the back.
Look this way. You can't go looking around when you're driving.
Watermelon. I might buy this one.
They moved that Mariko that was over there over here. Okay. And donuts.
Coconut, honey, I want to buy some.
Mm-hmm.
We park?
Watch out for this car.
Honey? Please? I want more.
Oh, yeah.
Park, eh?
Yeah.
Why the car park is humongous?
Yeah, because they
It's a store.
They're using. Morning. Look, there's Carlo over there, Carlo. Carlo.
ORANA.
Morning. You gonna get some of these? The coconuts.
We'll go around and we come back and buy on the way.
Okay. Well, it's all the same stuff, isn't it? Take a donut. Take a donut. Take a donut. Yeah. And can we have free pies, please?
That's coconut and that's pineapple.
Oh, I'll have pineapple, thank you.
It's free pineapples.
Yeah. Why don't you try the coconut one?
It's nice.
Okay, we'll have this one. Thank you.
I want coconut.
Oh, okay. 2, 1. Thank you. Oh, look, darling.
Yeah, I thought I did.
The rest is fine.
Yeah. Just one, this one here.
5, 1 is 4.
Oh, you want 2? Pull it out?
You pay the lady.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
It's got no mark on it.
No? Yeah. Don't want that.
You can buy some.
That one is $10 a bag.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Should we get the $10 bag?
How many in the bag?
5 on there.
5. Yeah, we'll have a $10 bag. Thank you.
What one do you want? That one or this one?
No, that one will do, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. $10. Just, you don't have anything smaller?
No, this is my last one.
Something smaller.
Thank you. Going up. Yeah, we're from Samoa. Samoa?
Huh? No, I'm not Rarotonga. Rarotonga?
Yeah. Samoa.
Oh, nice. You two from Samoa.
Yeah.
That's good you bring your mom to
Yeah.
Rarotonga.
She always wanted to come here. They're from Aitutaki.
Oh, yes. Tangaroi from that side.
I want a popo.
You want a what?
Popo.
Fair. Ah, yeah. Yeah, we'll buy some from each. Yeah.
You, hey, Uncle Papa.
Yeah, we gotta put this in the car. Thanks. Look, guys. Coconuts. $10 for these little. Oh, hopefully they're very sweet. Yeah. What's that over there? Yeah? Yeah, mga iba mau main ka straws. Fele ri ila malakir ka vale. Ah, let's out. Look at the wahine, wahine. Hurry up, wahine. Come on, open the boot. Yeah, go for what you want, Maria.
Yeah.
Is that it? You know why I didn't want you to buy 2 poke? Because we're no good to waste it.
There's a fridge there, I can eat it.
Okay. Yeah, lift it up. Make sure it's
What
not going to
about
fall
the
down.
back seat? I want to put this on the back seat. It doesn't look clean.
Okay, okay. Where are we going after this, Ghana? Get a pawpaw.
No, to eat.
Yeah, okay. Are we hopping in the car then?
Yeah.
Oh, look
Which
at that
one?
big ulu.
Huh?
Okay,
Where's the uru?
over there.
I thought it
There's a
was-
watermelon. You going to go get a watermelon?
Yeah.
Run and get us a watermelon. Open up the back of the thing. Amaria. Baka mas kako melengia. Huh? Casabat. They're passion fruit. The passion fruit's sweet lately. Morning. This is a good size for us.
They all sweet.
Yeah. Mais seedless is like hard. Seed color.
They all have seed.
What about a small one? $10 one.
Oh, okay. It's up to you.
I don't think you'll finish it.
Yeah. We might finish the $15 one. I don't know. It's up to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
You want this one or that one?
Yeah, it's up to you.
That one.
Up to you. Okay. That one. This one. No. This one.
No.
This one's got more meat in it.
No. The higher the better.
Yeah, the high better. He knows.
Oh, guys, look at the wahoo. He has wahoo. This grilled. And my one is crumb. And you get the coconut, and then you get the birds and the kata and anyway, time to eat. Bye.